In this video, we will be looking at how to set row and column sizes and copy or move rows and columns in tables. We will also look at how to add columns and rows. Should we wish to copy an entire column, we would need to locate the Column Select button at the top of the column. This is the downward pointing black arrow. Click to select the column. The quickest method to copy the column would be to right-click to get the shortcut menu. Click on Copy. Should you wish to paste the column that you have copied to the left of a particular column, for instance net sales, I would like to insert the change column in between product and net sales, I would need to select net sales because columns are pasted to the left of a selected area by default. Right-click on the selected column and look at the paste options available. The first option is what we are looking for, because it will insert the information and the structure as a new column. Click to select. You now have a duplicate of your change column to the left of net sales. Now this works the same if we would like to remove columns or rows. Select the column we no longer need. Right-click and choose Delete Columns. On the Layout tab of the Contextual Table Tools menu, you will have all these options available underneath rows and columns. We have the Delete option, Insert, above, below, left and right. So should I wish to insert a column to the right of quarter, I would need to click in the quarter column anywhere and then insert to the right, and I will get another column inserted between quarter and salesperson. Should I wish to resize this column, I would need to locate the resizing handles running vertically downwards between the columns. Hold the mouse in to drag to create the size that you prefer for this column. The reason you are seeing these guides at the present moment is because I have View Grid Lines selected. If I take this off, it would be a little bit more difficult to see the separation lines between the cells of the table due to the fact that I don't have borders running vertically downwards on the table. Let's have a look at moving. Should I wish to replace this column, I can cut it out by right-clicking on the column and clicking Cut. If I wish to paste it at the end of the table, I will see the down arrow